Welcome back to another Sonic Frontiers modding tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to replace sound files. For this tutorial, we're going to have 4 downloads. I'll have the links all in the description. First, we'll need to grab the Sonic audio tools. You're going to want to grab the latest zip file right here. Next, we're going to need the Foobar 2000 audio player. You're going to want to click download on this latest version here, and latest stable version. Paired with that, you're going to need the VGM Stream Foobar 2000 component file. We're going to want to click this 32-bit Windows component file here. And lastly, we'll need the vgaudio.wpf. If you go to your downloads folder, you'll have your Foobar exe, your component file, and your zips. Put these zips anywhere on your computer where it's best, extract them both. You're going to want to install Foobar. I already have it, so I'm not going to install it. And then when you're done with that, you're going to want to double click on the component file and a window like this will pop up and you will want to click yes. It's just asking you if you want to install the component file. So you'll want to click yes and then you'll click OK. I already have this, so I'm just going to say no, cancel. I'm going to close out of that. Put these zips anywhere on your computer where it's best and extract them both. So now that you have all of that on your computer and ready to go, you're going to want to pull up your tools. I'm going to have these in separate windows so we can just see what's going on a little bit easier. Next, we want to locate our sound files. We're going to go to the game directory. Go in our image folder. Go to raw. And here in our sound folder is most, if not all, the sound files for the game. For this tutorial, I'm going to replace Sonic's jump sound effect with the jump sound from Sonic Adventure. So I'm going to look for the Sonic sound folder here. And what I'm going to do is drag drop a copy of this onto my desktop. That way the original files we have are going to be untouched in case anything goes south. Now we're going to open up this folder and we're going to see an ACB file titled SE Rangers Player Sonic. In that ACB file are all our sound effects for Sonic. So we're going to want to open that up, and to do that, we're going to go to our Sonic Audio Tools folder, and you'll see an exe titled ACB Editor. We're going to want to drag drop this ACB file right on top of that exe, and you'll see that it's created a new folder titled SE Rangers Player Sonic. And we're going to go in there. In this folder are all the sound files that Sonic uses. Now we're going to want to listen through these and find all the ones that we want to replace for the jump sound. So you're going to want to open up Foobar and highlight all of these files and drag drop them into Foobar. Now we can see these all and we can listen to them. And you'll see that there's no title, they're just numbers. So you're going to have to listen through and find the sound effect to know which one you want to replace. I've already done this, and we're going to need to replace 3 separate sound files that are used by Sonic's jump. We're going to be looking for 00151, 00167, and 00187. So now that we've identified the files that we want to replace, let's go find the sound file that we're going to use to replace. Here I have the Sonic Adventure 1 jump sound effect. Let's just drag that into here. And that's our sound effect that we want. Now the problem is that this is a WAV file, so we need to get that into our HCA format. And that's what this VG audio tool is going to be doing. So we're going to want to open that up. This window will pop up. Let's click Open File. I'm going to go to my desktop, find that WAV file. Selected that. You're going to want to save as HCA. We'll save that file on our desktop. And since we already know the name of the files we want to replace, starting with 00151, I'm going to name it that. Now you'll see on my desktop, I have a file named 00151.hca. I'm going to have this pulled up right next to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control-C that file, Control-V, make a copy, Control-V, make a copy, and then we're just going to rename these 2 copies to the other 2 titles that we need. So 00167 and 00187. Now that we have those 3 files, we can drag drop those, copy. I'm holding Control to change it from move to copy. Copy those over into our Sonic folder. It's going to ask you if you want to replace them. Yes, we want to replace them. Now that we've replaced our audio files, we can go back into foobar and make sure that our volumes are consistent. That sounds good to me. If you find that your volume is inconsistent, whether it's too loud or too quiet, I suggest going back and importing your WAV file into an audio editing program. Something like Audacity would work just fine, and adjust your volume. Turn it up, turn it down, then re-export it as a WAV file. Then you'll want to repeat the process of converting the file into an HCA format. Now that those 3 sound files have been replaced, we can go back 1. And now we're going to need to repack this folder into an ACB file. And to do that, we're going to use the ACB editor tool once more by drag dropping this folder on top of the ACB editor. And now you'll see that a new time has been created for this ACB file, so that shows that this is updated. We can delete our folder. And now, let's turn this into a mod. So let's go to our Hedge Mod Manager. We will add a new mod, making one. Okay. Name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it Sound Tutorial. Click OK. It's going to pop up a folder that our mod is located in. Now in this raw folder, we're going to want to make a new folder and name it Sound. The reason we're doing that is because the game directory that we pulled our sound folder out of looks like this. We have raw. If you go to sound, there our Sonic sound folder is located. So we're just going to do the same thing, raw, sound, and now we'll drag our Sonic folder into that location. And if we go back to Hedge Mod Manager, you can click refresh. We'll see that our sound tutorial mod has been created. I'm going to enable this and save and play, and let's check it out in game. All right, here we are in our game. We're going to make sure that the sound files we replaced are properly playing. And it appears that they are. Awesome. If you've been following along in this tutorial and your sounds are properly playing, then congratulations, you successfully replaced sound files in Sonic Frontiers. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please give the video a like. Let me know in the comments section down below. If you have any other tutorials you'd like to see, or if you have any questions on this one, please let me know. I'm always happy to make more tutorials or answer any questions as long as it's something I'm knowledgeable on doing. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Take care.